In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments using Typeform. If you're looking to make the process of receiving payments through your online forms as straightforward as possible, then this guide is just what you need. So let's dive in and take it step by step. To get started, you'll want to visit the Typeform website. Once you're there, you're looking for the option to log in, so go ahead and click on that. Make sure to use your existing credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your Typeform workspace. This is essentially your base of operations, where all of your forms are housed and editable. So hop over to your workspace and take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't already. With a clear view of your workspace, it's time to select the form you wish to work on. Click on the form that you'd like to integrate payment collection into. If you need to create a new form, you can do so from here as well, tailoring it to include the questions and information pertinent to your needs. Once you have your form ready and open, you're going to want to add a payment question. This highlights the point at which those filling out the form will be prompted to pay for a product, service, or donation. It's pivotal that this step is clear and straightforward to avoid confusion or errors during the payment process. Now, within your open form, direct your attention to the sidebar. Here, you'll find various question types you can include, and amongst them, there will be a dedicated payment option. Click on this to start configuring your payment section. The next piece of the puzzle is connecting your Typeform payment section to Stripe, which is the payment platform Typeform uses to handle transactions. With your payment question set up, look for the Connect to Stripe option. This part is pretty intuitive. You'll have to establish a connection between your Typeform account and your Stripe account. Follow the prompts and enter any necessary details to authenticate this connection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a payment collection system set up through Typeform, integrated seamlessly via Stripe. This not only makes collecting payment through forms more efficient, but also provides a more professional experience for your users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your payment processing smoother and more effective. Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and happy form building!